Because this class is primarily online, and because math can be very difficult to work with within Microsoft Word or any other online program, a big part of this class is going to be you writing things out by hand and then scanning a document and uploading it into Canvas. So I want to give you a short video that shows you how to submit your documents within Canvas. So what you see here is your week 1 documents, and at the end of this week you will be responsible for uploading the document that we work on in class on Friday. So you're just going to click on the assignment, and you'll see in the upper right corner a button that says Submit Assignment. So you're going to go ahead and click on that, and at the bottom of the screen you'll see 2 different options for how you can upload your file. One is if you save the document directly onto your computer, and the other is if you save it and work with it in Dropbox. So if we assume that you're saving things directly into your computer, and I will say it is much easier if you can save it as one document versus individual documents for each page, and I request that you please save your document as a PDF. When you click on Choose File, you'll have the opportunity to go into your computer and grab the document that you want. If your document is more than 1 page, you can always add another file. But if you can save it as 1 page, it'll be just 1 file that you can submit. And then you click on the button that says Submit Assignment. If you are going to work with your document through Dropbox, which is a really nice way to go because Dropbox has a scanner as a part of the app that you can download to your phone, and so you can scan and upload right from Dropbox. You can click on Select File to Receive, and then you can go in and find the file that you want to find. Just pick something and choose that file, and it will upload as well. You click Submit Assignment, and your file is now up. Once it goes up, if you decide that you need to make some changes before the deadline, you can always go back in and resubmit the assignment. And I will have the ability to see both your first and second assignment that you submit, and so it isn't necessary for you to worry about the submission that you make. All right? With anything in this class, if you have any questions or problems, always just send me an email or come and see me when I'm on campus, and we will figure it out.